In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Login to Circle.so for the year 2025, integrating Google Login into your Circle. So Community is a great way to make the login process easy and smooth for your users. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set this up, ensuring your community members can sign in quickly and securely. To get started, you'll first want to log into your Circle.so admin account. This is where you'll have all the necessary controls and settings to enable and configure the Google Login feature. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right of the screen where your profile photo is. Click on it, and you should see a drop-down menu. In this menu, select Settings. This is your hub for customizing anything related to your community platform, and it's where we'll handle the authentication settings. After clicking Settings, navigate to the Authentication Login options. This area is specifically designed to manage how users will access your community through various login methods. Scroll down until you find the Google Sign In OAuth section. Here, you'll notice an option to toggle Enable Google Login. Go ahead and switch this toggle to On. This action will activate Google as a login option for your users. Next, click on the Configure button to input your Google Client ID and client secret. These credentials are generated in your Google Cloud Console. If you haven't already done this, you'll need to visit the Google Cloud Console, create a project, and set up OAuth 2.0 credentials. Once you've generated your client ID and client secret, return to the Circle.so settings page and enter the information into the corresponding fields. This step links your Circle.so community with Google's authentication system. After inputting your credentials, make sure to click Save Changes to store your settings. This is a critical step as it ensures that all your configurations are applied and Google Login is officially enabled for your site. To wrap up, you'll want to ensure that everything is functioning as expected. Navigate back to the main login page of your Circle.so site and test the Google Login option. Try signing in using your Google account to confirm that everything is set up correctly. If the login is successful and seamless, congratulations. You've successfully added Google Login to your Circle. So Community, providing a more streamlined and convenient experience for your members. And that's it. You now have a fully operational Google Login feature on Circle. So, simplifying access for everyone involved. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tech insights and community tips.